Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit!
Mark Jude! Hello!
Mark Jude!
Mark Jude.
Alright, so Mark Jude, okay.
Mark Jude!
Hey, Mark Jude!
Mark Jude Marikit!
Mark Jude Marikit! Mark Jude Marikit!
Mark Jude Marikit.
Hi guys, good evening at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tandaya Hall for the coronation of Mr. Manaragat 2025 at pumasok na po tayo. Yan, di ba ang ganda ng kanilang pambungad, yung mga festival costume ng Manaragat 2025. Ito yung mga ginamit sa Mutiahan Summer sa parade ng Manaragat Festival and everything. So, tignan na natin, guys.
1, 2, 3.
He is a proud scholar of the University of the Philippines Tacloban College, where he is currently taking up a Bachelor of Science in Biology, major in Coastal Biology. He has already proven himself not just in academics and leadership as a resident member of the social civic organization Rupiro Tuyan, but also in the field of pageantry. He was hailed as Mr. State Universities and Colleges Region 8 2024, placed as fourth runner-up in Mr. National Spa 2025, recognized as second runner-up in Ginoong Sanyao 2025, and was recently crowned as Ginoong Turismo General MacArthur 2025. Let us all welcome a young achiever and role model, Junko Visorcilia. In Santa Monica College, California. He brings a blend of international experience and Filipino pride to his role as a pageant judge. With his eloquence, passion for social causes like education and environmental conservation, and prior success as Manhunt Philippines 2019, this 29-year-old Filipino model and actor made history as the first Filipino to win the Mr. Global 2024 title in Bangkok, Thailand, showcasing his charisma and advocacy for Filipino Bayan culture. Our dashing debonair, Mr. Global, numerous international and global pageant stages, establishing him as a prominent figure in the beauty pageant industry. His keen eye for aesthetics and deep understanding of elegance make him a highly respected pageant judge. Step to pageant judging, emphasizing authenticity and social good. Her voice, trusted, and inspiring story make her a respected judge, encouraging contestants to shine with purpose and elegance. A warm Katmaladan welcome to Universal Women 2024, Maria Gigante.
Syudad Hanggang Balogan. Jonas Capanis, 24, Syudad Hanggang Balogan. Vince Martin Elonias Katamutan, 20, Syudad Hanggang Balogan. Calvin Ray Alcala, 21, Syudad Hanggang Balogan. Yan, Delmo Daktanan, 20, Syudad Hanggang Balogan. Pakuhan Bukino, 24, Syudad Hanggang Balogan. John Daniel Neves Manes, 18, Justin Babun Mabing, 19, Syudad Hanggang Balogan. Sanang Pilar, 21, Syudad Hanggang Balogan.
Hello, Maluya. They're actually just backstage.
Nag-warm up pa lang.
Warm up. Sige na. Well, give me your cheer for candidate number 1. Wow.
45%. Oh, let me hear the cheer of candidate number 2. Candidate number 7.
Mr. Lantau Pinal is candidate number 5. Ken Damitalan. Congratulations.
It's candidate number 6, Lucky Cupido.
Is the Backers Choice Award. Our Backers Choice Awardee is candidate number 9, Dan Renz Milardo. Once again, our Mr. Eloquence is candidate number
Daniel.
Candidate number 5. congratulations, candidate. Mr. Photogenic is candidate number. You've seen the photos. It's candidate number 3, Miss Maribel Catacuta.
Best in Manaragat Festival costume goes to candidate number. It's candidate number 4, John Wayne Alcala.
Our Best in Swimwear. Best in Swimwear award goes to candidate number 8, Justin Mabine.
And I don't know how to support kay candidate number 5 kay magka-church mate kami. Yeah. And also, magandang inspired ako kay last year kaya Marine Queen Manaragat first runner-up.
Alright. He's actually my best friend.
Grabe, may really big pala tayo with us tonight. And speaking of, we also have a supporter of candidate number 5. Number 6. Hello everyone, I'm Janessa Rose Chiulaton, the girlfriend of Lucky Cupido. Free home lang lang! Charot! Ala, grabe! May mga maguyang ganyan. They love this. Grabe yung energy ng supporter si candidate number 2. Jonas Capales, or candidate number 2. Ayan. Ay, kaalamin mo natin si candidate number 2, Jonas Capales.
Girlfriend out.
Healthcare providers.
Yeah, speaking kasi nurse kasi si Jonas Capales. So mga ka-workmate kayo niya. Si candidate number 5 and 6. And do you think makakapasok siya sa title or magiging title holder natin tonight?
I'm actually a friend of candidate number 1 and 6, and I support them not because of their advocacy as a candidate, but also their authenticity as a person. Because kaibigan ko sila and I've known them well, and I think that yung authenticity nila will give a good fight with their co-candidates.
Grabe, thank you so much for supporting our candidate. Let's show your support once again dahil marami pa silang gagawin ngayon, and they're going to have formal wear and marami pa. So abangan natin yan.
Okay, so here are supporters of Josh Panis.
Actually, ako yung nagpiring kan Josh na mag-join niya Mr. Manaragat. Kaya ano ko yun, Josh, kaya mo ito. Nakikita ko kasi yung mga yung presence sa stage kasi maupay. He was actually akong teammate. Ginbubos ko talaga niya kay deserving niya magdaog.
Based sa pinakita ni Josh na ng performance, anong masasabi mo, Red?
On the spot.
Josh is fine. Pero feeling ko kasi, dyan mo talaga magkadaog. Hindi naman.
Okay.
Thank you so much from our dear supporters. Ayan, grabe, umuulan ng support.
Syudad Hanggang Balogan.
Ang pag-api ko Mr. Managat 2024, tamo ano, make-up, or iba pa. Kung kuya natin, nagtira sa integrated farm, silang nga council, tamo mga salamat tayo. Ito 2024. Who will soon wear this crown? Let me say this. You are about to embark on a journey that is bigger than yourself. This crown we share throughout this quest. We may have all competed for a crown, but in
Is Mr. Manaragat candidate number? Mr. Eloquence goes to Mr. Manaragat candidate number.
Mr. Professionalism Award goes to candidate number.
The best informal wear goes to Mr. Manaragat candidate number.
It's you, candidate number 5, Mr. Bill Abad.
His revelations and words with countless notes. I will never forget.
Mr. Manaragat is candidate number 5, Brian Barbaro.
My friends who came with us, my fellow supporters who did this today. Very proud. I am Mr. Manaragat 2024, and this will always be a part of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, from our top 5 finalists, our second runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number 3, Vince Kakakutan.
The first runner-up is candidate number 8, Justin Mabine.
Manaragat, Kultura, Mr. Manaragat, Kalibungan, and the ultimate crown of Mr. Manaragat 2025. The turns out our Mr. Manaragat Kultura 2025 is here, and it's candidate number 5.
Is an inspiration to all. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The crowning. This young gentleman has shown exceptional voice, wit, and dedication throughout the competition. And by virtue of this announcement, the remaining finalists automatically earns the title of Mr. Manaragat Kalibungan 2025.
To our supporters, they are on their feet and waiting for their candidates to be called.
Your journey tonight has truly set you apart. Candidate number.
To present the award for Mr. Manaragat
Our Mr. Manaragat 2025 is candidate number.
Candidate number 6. That is our 2025
work done. Making a positive answers up, huh?
And Aura and Jessica say good night and Diretso Usod Cambodia!
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Yan. Subscribe kayo guys. Hello guys! Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe!
Mac Jude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and Mac Jude TV. Thank you.